these private equity businesses who are on Main Street all across the United States don't have a little asterisk on their sign that says backed by private equity.
What is it that makes you believe that the interests of private capital align with the interests of American people?
Each of those investments is a long bet on the U.S. economy. Private equity, private credit, we don't succeed unless the U.S. economy succeeds. There are over 13 million Americans right now who work at companies that are backed by private equity. Look at housing, right? In the United States, we have a housing crisis. And there are some on the far left who want to blame that crisis on private equity.
There's a lot of people in the mainstream finance world bad-mouthing private credit at the moment, talk of systemic risk. I don't see that at all. I see it as the opposite of systemic, because private credit funds are funded with equity. And so these are grown-up investment decisions. It's not risk on risk, and it's not leverage on leverage.
We're really excited that the Trump administration is offering sort of that, as they call it, democratization of investment.